Just wanted to do another quick update on one of the investments that I've got through VC Crowd. It's looking more and more likely it's going to become one of the best investments that I've got. So a quick summary of VC Crowd. It's an investment club, members only, invitation link in the description below. Basically you pay a monthly subscription. Every month you get shares or stock or stake in businesses that the club has investigated, researched and invested in. So you get the benefit of a big investor, VC Crowd, making those investments, but even as a small investor, small member, you get shares in those businesses. So very much like Dragon's Den, Shark Tank, but allowing ordinary people like you and me to be able to get stakes in early stage with small businesses that could become huge businesses. And one of those in particular is the Happy Drinks company. Now Happy Drinks are also on Cedars. They're raising funds. They're based in Liverpool. I've spoken about them many times now on my YouTube channel and said that I still think these are a very good company. Do your own research. It's not financial advice, but it's looking very, very strong. They're now going through another fundraise to help expand their factory and their sales ever faster. They were looking to raise 3.2 million. They've raised 3.475 so far. They've still got some time left on the fundraise, and this now values Happy Drinks company as a company at £64 million. I think VC Crowd got involved something like £1 or £2 million, so a 30 to 60 fold increase in valuation for VC Crowd right from the start. Some business highlights: average year on year revenue growth of 120% for the last 3 years, 370% revenue increase 2020 to 2022, UK's #1 best-selling zero-calorie natural tonic, and raised £11 million from 2,411 investors between 2019 and 2021. It's not too late. This is still a story of a young startup company that is on a huge mission. It says here, a mission to remove artificial sweeteners from soft drinks. I went for a walk in a local Spar shop just the other day and had a look at their soft drink section, and it's massive and it's a big consumer market. Everyone needs to drink stuff, but the stuff that people are drinking is full of additives and aspartame, which is being linked more and more to cancer. Sugar is not good. And so Happy Drinks company producing a range of really exciting brands. So here on their website, happydrinksgroup.com, or one of their websites, we can see they've got the power energy drinks. They've got their manufacturing is just really advanced for what they're producing. It's a really exciting journey, and all the brands that they can produce, their own brands, because they're manufacturing, the opportunities are just huge. Now, what do you want to do if you want to get involved in this journey, this story? You join VC Crowd as a member. This is the cheapest way and best way to get shares. In fact, you'll get these at a substantial discount. Let's just go back to Cedars. You can see Cedars pre-money valuation £64 million. You're paying per share £14.46. So 390 investors so far have invested 3.4, just get on for £3.5 million at £14.46 per share. However, come over to VC Crowd, come into the private section. VC Crowd is one of the real power investors to start with Happy Drinks and really got them on the launch pad. We can see here that the sell ask offers, these are people selling their shares. There are people asking, there's 500 shares available at 60 pence per share. Now these are fractional shares, so that's the equivalent of £6 per share on Cedars, but £6 versus £14, it's less than half price. So you're effectively doubling your money by buying your shares through VC Crowd. So you can come in right now, load some money into your account, and you could potentially buy 500 shares at 60 pence per share. So £300 investment would get you around about £750 worth of shares for £300. What a brilliant way to start your investment process with VC Crowd. Grab yourself a bargain, more than double the value of your investment just by coming in, depositing some money and grabbing some of those Happy Drinks company shares. You may be asking, well, why are people willing to sell those shares at such a big discount? Fundamentally, people have their own reasons for selling shares. It may be that they're wanting to raise funds and therefore they're just saying, well, look, I'm just happy to sell out. I don't think I believe in the Happy Drinks company anymore. I just want to sell out. I'm in profit anyway because I came in at a much lower price. I'll sell at 60 pence. So that could be a perfectly good reason. They might have some bills which have come up where they're saying, I've got to raise some funds. I'm going to have to sell. I'm a motivated seller. Therefore, I'm going to drop my price, get a quick sale, and so on. There's not huge liquidity in here. We can see on the price chart, last trade was 2 days ago, 19th of September. Prior to that, 18th of September, 17th of September, 15th, 14th, 11th, 7th. So sometimes there are days where there are no trades at all that happen. It's still a small club. It's a very intimate club, VC Crowd. It's an exciting place to be because you are learning. On this video, this won't get a huge number of views. You are learning about a company here that you can get in before this gets to the stock market, before it gets taken over by someone like Coca-Cola, Schweppes, and you potentially could make a very, very strong uplift on the investment that you have in that company. My own personal investment in Happy Drinks now is a very large sum. And in fact, if it was to go tenfold from here, if it becomes £650 million company, then I'm retired for life. It'd be the best investment I've ever had, and I'm not a young spring chicken anymore, and so the potential is there, and it's certainly going in the right direction at the moment. No guarantees. That's the nature of investing. There are no guarantees. But if you want to join the club, if you use my invitation link in the description, that will get you a bonus of up to £250 worth of shares as a welcome bonus. You can join from anywhere in the world. You just set up your monthly subscription, which you can pause anytime you want. I recommend you keep it going so that you can keep your shares accumulating every month. Just treat it like a savings plan. There's live webinars as well. They've had a slight lull on those just whilst we've had the summer period, but they'll be getting back into those in the next few weeks. And so it's a good place to be, good community, and better than that, it's a good place to really accumulate shares in young, verified companies that the club themselves have investigated and said, yeah, we think this is a business that we want to invest in as a club, and then you receive those shares from the club every month. So I think I've explained that pretty much as best I can. If you've got any questions, do pass them in the comments. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this, and learn how to get your money working for you. That's what my channel is all about, and I'll see you on the next video.